Hi guys, and welcome back to CAD T&Ts. In today's video, we will go quicker on the way I animated this hydraulic cylinder. It's a 3 stages hydraulic cylinder. We mostly seen this kind of cylinder in the telescopic mechanism or a boom. So let's dive in. So I think you know how hydraulic cylinder works, and also you might know how the like multi-stages hydraulic cylinder works. Anyway, it's just a simple design, but we just go on the main things that I used for the animation, especially for the mate. Anyway, I will put the link in the description below if you want to download this file. It's a Solidworks file and it can work like an hydraulic cylinder, a multi-stages hydraulic cylinder. Okay, and the secret is in the mate. So in each part I've just used 3 mate. Okay, here the coincidence to align the 2 parts, and you have to make one part as fixed one and the concentric one, or you can also use coincident to align with the other plane that you haven't used for the first coincidence, and this is the magic one. Okay, so in each cylinder here you have to set a limit, like the maximum limit and the minimum limit. Okay, so this is a coincidence between 2 faces from the fixed part, for example in this one, and this bottom part of the cylinder, the piston. Okay, and so the maximum limit here is 16.8 inches, and that's the same for all 1, 2, 3 cylinder, and it works fine. As you see here, we have seen that we can retract the boom, the telescopic one, multi-stages hydraulic cylinder, sorry guys, and we can extend it. To animate it, it's very easy. Go to motion study, make sure that you check the Solidworks motion here, and make sure that you choose the motion analysis, and simply you just add some linear motion and use this cylinder, and that's all. And you can add a speed you want. If you need it to go quicker, just choose the quicker one, and that's all. Then you will calculate it, and it's done. Okay, you really have the right motion of a multi-stages hydraulic cylinder. I hope this quick tip help you if you have any similar mechanism or a similar motion in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.